Hi, this is Chef Brad with the Wondermill WonderMix Company, and I love my WonderMix for making breads. But my second favorite thing I think is making cookies. I love cookies, and I especially love whole grain cookies. So the WonderMix combined with my Wondermill, I have the best of both worlds. Whole grain, ground freshly, and fresh baked cookies. It's great. One of my favorite cookies are one of those just really easy to make butter cookies. We call it a thumbprint cookie, where you make this really wonderful little dough, put a thumbprint in it, and fill it up with a little bit of jam and bake it. They're really good and really easy. And it's just the simplest of recipes. A half a cup of butter, and I'm going to put a splash of vanilla in there. And just a pinch of salt. Once the butter is nice and soft, we're going to add powdered sugar. So it's a butter cookie. So we're going to add powdered sugar. And then with the powdered sugar, we're going to add about 2½ cups spelt flour. Remember, spelt flour grinds like a pastry flour. It grinds. I grind it on the finest setting of my mill, but even at that, look at this. It's just like this beautiful, wonderful, it's almost like talcum. It's so fine. So it's great for making this type of cookie that traditionally you would use a white flour for to get the texture you want. But we can do it with our Wondermill. We can do it with a whole grain and get the nutrition and a fabulous flavor that white flour just doesn't have. So now we're just going to turn this on and cream it together. Once it's creamed together, we're going to scoop it out. That was really quick. Our batter is done. We're going to just take out our cookie whips. And then we just scoop this batter down onto the pan. And then just make a nice little thumbprint in the middle. And then we just take a little bit of jam, put a little scoop of jam in the middle, and you bake it, and you're going to have a wonderful butter cookie with jam in the middle. These are one of my favorite cookies. They're simple, easy, and with that whole grain, you can feel a little bit better about eating a dozen of them.